So I saw some comments from people that watched my videos later yesterday. Yes, I understand ADA did retrace. Okay, we did pull back from 27 cents all the way down to 26 cents. Big move, I know, right? Actually, right now, ADA is consolidating very nicely. In fact, we're creating a nice bullish pennant. We got rejected by the top of this trend line. And really what this has to do with is the broader crypto market. So now people are asking, is this a trap? Are we going to pull back further? So I want to discuss this a little more with you guys. So obviously right now we're sitting right at the top of my buy box. This is again the range I've been accumulating. I'm almost lost the word there. Accumulating heavily in. And the question is, do we make a move to the upside here? Really what I'm watching is BTC. So right now, right now, BTC, we are in fact sitting just above the 20-week moving average. And when we look at the monthly chart, we're sitting just below the 20-month moving average. So we did pull back below there yesterday. Now we are still stacking multiple green months together. This is a great sign that obviously we're 3 days into the month now. So it's really not that big of a deal. Nothing really to watch there. But what people need to realize is we are in fact in an uptrend. All right. We created higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. That's still where we're sitting at currently. So right now we do have a bullish trend forming in BTC. What we really need to make sure doesn't happen, and you can kind of see it starting to play out here, is we need to make sure we do not flip over here and create this right shoulder. This is where that potential downside comes from, is creating a head and shoulders pattern. Now we're not there yet because again, with these higher highs and higher lows, we don't have the structure of a pullback to something like 20K or so. All right. That's about where we would go to if we do end up getting this retracement. But right now we're not quite there. Really BTC right now is the market mover. This is what everything is going to be correlated with. This is what ADA has been correlated with. If you look at the daily chart, you can see as BTC has continued to move up, ADA has continued to follow that same trend. So right now we're stuck deep in this correlation. All right. I would not be surprised if we do kind of hang around here, consolidate a little more before possibly making a move here. If we don't get that confirmation, if BTC kind of just chills, ADA may retrace and pull back here. Okay. But again, if we do get that strength, like we talked about yesterday, that's where ADA can smash through this resistance and make these runs to the upside. Okay. So this is both scenarios for you. Obviously we have some things coming this month. We have, I believe we have an FOMC meeting. I'll have to check back at this, but we do have a CPI report. We have a jobs report. Big thing is we have GDP at the end of the month. Okay. GDP is going to be a big indicator. I think we still make a move sometime by mid-October, but if we don't get things that move in the right direction from a macro standpoint from some of those reports, don't be surprised if we consolidate, if we move down towards the end of the month here until we get that report. And again, funny thing is this long-term broadening wedge that we've had here since basically the middle of August, that comes to a point right at the end of October. That's right where we meet the trend line. So you can't make these things up, guys. The crypto market moves in strange ways, but it's very predictable at this point. Okay. We very much are dependent on some of these other factors currently, just because there's not a whole lot going on in the market right now. So appreciate you guys as always. I want to hear your thoughts here. See if you think we're going to get some more of these liquidations. If you think we're going to face a little bit of a pullback, I know how some of you are going to respond. People are very consistent in the way that they think. I'm more on the bullish side if you guys haven't obviously paid attention, but I think big things are coming here. And again, it may start this month. So appreciate you as always. Show your support below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.